What's up, my wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing this beautiful day? Merry Christmas from wherever you're watching me from. So, my wonderful people, in today's video we shall be exploring this very part of Imo State. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end. But before we proceed, if this is your first time of coming across this beautiful channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Nuella and this is Nuelchuky. So guys, as you watch this video, please share to your family and friends. Do let us know anything you think about this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Of course, if you've not subscribed to my channel, support your girl by hitting on the red icon below, written subscribe. Turn on your notification bell as you subscribe. So friends, this is the continuation of the previous video. This is Emekuku today. Let's see the extent they've gone on this very road, this Owerri Umuahia road. If you've not watched the previous video, guys, please go and watch it. This is the continuation. Like I said in the previous video, if you're going to Umuahia, if you're going to Indise, if you're going to Emekuku, if you're traveling this period, if you want to use this road, I suggest you use the other road, because this very road, there will be a lot of hold up here. As you can see to yourself, it has started already. So guys, no need of talking too much. Let's go so you can see things yourself. Let's see the extent they've worked on this road. Please don't forget to share as you watch. Now it's moving gradually. So my wonderful people, as you watch, please share. By my left here is Mount Camel, Catholic Church in Nuelchuky. Can see the church over there. Most of these vehicles you're seeing are coming from Umuahia, Mbise. Honestly, this very road is gonna be something this season. This is the entrance gate of Mount Camel. So my wonderful people, what do you think about this video? Don't forget to share to your family and friends. For you to have watched up to this point means you like my video. Support your girl by subscribing, share this video to your family and friends. Do let us know anything you think about this video. As I see you guys again in the next video. Thank you and remain blessed.